crazy monkey hit me in the head, Ham.
They are pretty crazy.
Ham,
Yes, Father.
did you get that board up there I was telling you about this morning?
That's what I'm doing now. Why do I get... Here, while my brothers go out and collect animals.
Ham,
About time you did something.
I have told you many times, we are a family. We all have chores to do. And God has blessed us with many gifts. You are blessed with the gift of working with wood. And they are blessed with working with animals.
Yes, Father.
Please, we must do everything for the glory of God.
Yes, Father. Well, tell Jim to do his job. Look, the monkeys are out again.
What are they doing? They're throwing their food out. Get back in there, you crazy monkey. Jim! Jim,
Jim, what?
look at them. They're throwing their food
I
out.
told you, crazy.
He's got the other monkey stirred up now.
You said let him out.
Now you need to get them out of the window there. They're just running all the food.
All right.
Oh, my. You crazy monkey, get back in there! Oh. Like I was saying, Han, you know, we're down here working on the ark, but your brothers, they are doing their chores. They are feeding the animals, they are watering the animals. I'm sure Shem is in there right now doing his chore like I asked him to do.
Yes, Father, I'm sure he is. That look better.
Boys, stop it now! Boys! Boys! Boys!
You better run!
Boys!
Help me, big gorilla! Help me! Help!
Boys, stop it!
Come on, Ham! You're getting slow!
Boys!
Come on, Ham! You can do better!
Boys! You stop that right now, boys! Boy, Chris, you get back in that ark! You get back in there and get busy doing your chores! Jeepers, what are you
I didn't
doing?
mean to get you!
My son! Jim, you get back in that ark right now, boy! Oh, Sam! What am I going to do with you boys? Oh, my!